How to start a home-based catering business. Welcome back to Side Income Secrets, where we explore creative ways to boost your income and achieve financial freedom. If you've ever dreamed of turning your love for cooking into a profitable venture, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to start a home-based catering business. First off, let's talk about why catering is a fantastic choice for a home-based business. Not only does it allow you to work from the comfort of your own kitchen, but it also lets you share your culinary talents with others. Whether it's birthday parties, corporate events, or family gatherings, there's always a demand for delicious food made with love. The first step in starting your catering business is to define your niche. What type of cuisine do you enjoy making? Are you skilled in baking, or do you specialize in savory dishes? Finding your niche will help you stand out in a competitive market. Consider focusing on a specific type of cuisine, dietary preferences, or even themed events. Once you've identified your niche, it's time to create a business plan. This doesn't have to be overly complicated. Outline your goals, target audience, and marketing strategies. Think about how you will price your services and what your startup costs will be. Having a clear plan will guide you as you move forward and help you stay organized. Next, it's essential to ensure that you comply with local regulations. Check the health department's guidelines in your area regarding food preparation and catering. You may need to obtain specific licenses or permits to operate legally. Ensuring your business is compliant from the start will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Now, let's discuss your menu. Start small with a few signature dishes that showcase your skills. As you gain experience and receive feedback from clients, you can expand your offerings. Consider creating a tasting menu that allows potential clients to sample your food. This can be a great way to attract new customers. Marketing your home-based catering business is crucial. In today's digital world, having an online presence can significantly increase your visibility. Create a simple website showcasing your menu, services, and contact information. Utilize social media platforms to share photos of your dishes, customer testimonials, and special promotions. Engaging with your audience online can help you build a loyal customer base. Networking is another powerful tool. Connect with local event planners, wedding coordinators, and businesses that may require catering services. Attend local events, farmers markets, or food festivals to showcase your culinary creations. Building relationships in your community can lead to valuable referrals. As your business grows, consider investing in quality equipment. Having the right tools will not only improve your efficiency, but also enhance the quality of your food. This could include commercial-grade kitchen appliances, catering supplies, and even delivery containers. Lastly, never underestimate the power of excellent customer service. Happy customers are more likely to refer you to others and leave positive reviews. Always strive to exceed your clients' expectations and don't hesitate to ask for feedback to improve your services. To wrap things up, starting a home-based catering business can be a rewarding and profitable venture. With the right niche, a solid plan, compliance with regulations, effective marketing, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, you can turn your passion for cooking into a thriving business. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of home-based catering. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Side Income Secrets for more tips and strategies on building your side income. Until next time, keep cooking and keep dreaming.